In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create a simple business style video like this one with the help of 3 simple tools. The entire tutorial is going to be divided into 3 parts, so make sure you stick with me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trees tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you could create business style animations with the help of AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. And of course, we are going to start our video by using ChatGPT. It will help us make our script. So I'm just gonna type these few prompts in order for ChatGPT to generate us our script. To keep this tutorial short and neat, I just generated a short story for us to follow. But if you're looking for a longer story, you can go ahead and generate more. Since this is only a tutorial, I have just generated this short story for us today. So right now that we have our story, we can go ahead and divide this story into 5 scenes. So now that we have our script, we can now go ahead and generate our AI images. We can go ahead and generate our art by going into Stable Diffusion XL. It's this site right here, clipdrop.co. And now that we know our story is about this charming little boy named Oliver, we can just go ahead and go back to Stable Diffusion. And we can go ahead and type our prompt here, making sure that our prompt is ending with a Disney style citation. After writing your prompt, making sure that it ended with a Disney style, we can now go ahead and click on the option tab right here. In the aspect ratio, just go ahead and select widescreen 16:9. After selecting that, we can now go ahead and click on the Style tab and making sure to choose photogenic right here. Now, this is very important because if you do not choose photogenic, this can ruin your image generation. After doing all of that, we can now go ahead and generate our image. Now, in order to top it off, we can just go ahead and download each one of our photo. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this photo right here and click on the download right here. Now that's out of the way, we can now go ahead and animate these generated images. We can go ahead and do that by going into runwayml.com. We are going to use this AI magic tool Gen 2. We can just proceed by clicking on the try runway for free right here. And it will automatically log you in if you are using Gmail. After that, we can now go ahead and proceed to the next step. I'm just gonna scroll down a little until I find this text to image tab right here. I am just going to click on it and it will take me into this page right here. We can just upload our downloaded file. Now that we have uploaded our file, we don't have to change anything right here. We can now proceed by clicking on the generate button. With just a few clicks, we have managed to animate our generated images. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and play this for you. Now, as you can see, isn't it amazing? Now, we can just go ahead and download our clip by clicking download right here. Let's go ahead and do that for the rest of our images. In order to do that, just go ahead and click on the trash icon right here and we can go ahead and click upload a file. Go ahead and select your second image. And click on generate. After animating every images that we have, we can now go ahead and proceed to the third step. Now that we have our video and we have our script, we can just go ahead and transfer that script into a talking voice. We can go ahead and do that by using AI text-to-speech. In this video, we are going to use 11 labs. So we can just go ahead and go back to our ChatGPT, go ahead and copy the scene 1, and paste it to 11 labs. After doing that, you can just go ahead and select your voice right here. For this tutorial, we're just gonna choose Glenda.
In a charming village, meet Oliver, a curious boy with twinkling eyes and a heart full of wonder.
After choosing your preferred voice, you can just go ahead and download it by clicking on the download icon right here. Now, we are going to do that for all of the scenes, starting with the scene 2. Now that we have gathered everything that we need, we just need one tool in order to compile all of them. And in this video, we are going to use CapCut for some reason, because CapCut has this tool that can automatically generate captions. So you can just go ahead and download CapCut. After downloading CapCut, just go ahead and click on the new project. And we can now go ahead and import everything that we have gathered. So now that we have imported these clips, we can just go ahead and place them one by one. After adjusting your animation, we can just go ahead and do the same thing for the audio. Since I only have these 4 images, I'm just going to repeat the animation, but you get my point, you can go ahead and generate some of them for longer videos. After successfully lining them up, we can now go ahead and generate our captions. We can go ahead and do that by clicking on text right here and selecting the auto caption tab. Just go ahead and click on create and it's gonna load in for you. After doing that, we can now go ahead and adjust our captions. I'm just gonna click on the first one right here and I'm gonna apply these few settings that we can apply. So first, I'm going to import a shadow, and to make things easier, I'm just gonna select this preset right here. I'm gonna make it bigger. And that's about it. If some of the subtitles are too long like this one, we can just go ahead and click on that subtitle right here and go ahead and click on captions. We are going to divide this into 2 by clicking on the text right here and just press enter on your keyboard. By doing that, it divides the subtitle and we can now go ahead and see the changes that we have made.
Discovering hidden.
I'm just going to repeat that for all of the subtitles that are too long. And we can also set an animation on the subtitles by just selecting on all of them and clicking on the animation right here. You can apply any of this animation if you want to, but for this tutorial, I'm just not gonna apply them. And that's about it, we have made our video.
In a charming village, meet Oliver, a curious boy with twinkling eyes and a heart full of wonder. Oliver explores the world around him, discovering hidden treasures in everyday moments, spreading joy with his laughter. The village residents adore him, as his laughter becomes the melody that brightens their days. One sunny day, Oliver embarks on a new adventure, determined to find a mysterious treasure. With a map in hand and friends by his side, Oliver's laughter echoes through the village as he sets off on his exciting quest.
Now guys, thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider by liking. I'll see you next time. Thank you.